This beautiful car is a 1966 Dodge Charger, and interestingly it's a Hemi 426. It looks really factory original. And it's a 66 because you'll notice that there is no fender mounted turn signal. That's the main way you can determine whether the car is a 66 or a 67. They're very similar. And of course it's a fastback. The Marlin was a direct competitor at this point. And here is the Maroni sticker. And you can see how it started in price, but then we add all the extras, including that Hemi, and it becomes a pretty pricey car at the time. There you see those individual seats there in the back that fold down, and you can also see that central, I guess, combination armrest and console. Car has a 4-speed manual. Like a wood-rimmed steering wheel, looks like. Very nice upholstery. And of course we have the deck lid and the full length, or I should say full width taillights. And with those back seats down, you have quite a load for. The only restriction is the size of that deck lid. Nice wheels, original, I believe. It's really quite a car.